Welcome back. Today we're going to go over step 16 of the 28-point air conditioning tune-up and system rejuvenation. Step number 16 is to evaluate the supply and return plenum integrity. So those plenums are the air boxes where the ductwork attaches that then attach to the equipment. A lot of times we find supply plenums that are rotted out because there's been water draining inside of them, and we want to make sure that we're not dumping all that cool air underneath your home. Sometimes we even find that the return plenums separate from the equipment because something settled or moved in your home, and now we're pulling unfiltered air into the equipment, filling it full of dirt and debris. So I want to make sure that all these plenums are fully intact, fully sealed to the equipment, because we don't want to cross-contaminate any of your air that you're breathing in your home with things that it's not supposed to be pulling in. So please, get your tune-up done. It's an inexpensive, cheap way to get an inspection and tune-up on this, and then follow it up with maintenance. Get the longevity out of this equipment that we need. See you on the next video.